Hi my friends, in this tutorial I will show you two remote desktop programs. This is Teamviewer and Anydesk. For non-conventional use you can use for free this program, but if you are using for conventional use you need to pay for this program. First of all, for download you can download this program from description in this video, or you can download from Google, typing Teamviewer download. After you download program, after you install the program, you will be seeing in desktop Teamviewer shortcut like this, Teamviewer shortcut. How Teamviewer works, how this program works. For example, your friends have a problem with his computer, and you need to connect to his computer and help him to resolve his problem. For this you need ID from your friend's computer. This ID is your friend's ID from his computer. We need this ID for connecting to his computer. But copy and paste will be copy and paste here. It's partner ID for connecting to remote computer. Connect. Here type the password of your friend's computer. Log on. After log on, you will see the desktop from your friend's computer. This is desktop your friend's computer. You can you have now full access to your friend's computer. You can help him. Also here in Teamviewer we have function grant easy access. You can create here account in Teamviewer, and you can set static password for Teamviewer. Okay. The next program is Anydesk. Anydesk, after you download and install this program, you will be see like this shortcut. Open Anydesk. This is Anydesk. Here you can you need to type ID from your computer, from remote computer here. For example, this is ID from my friend's computer. Copy and paste the address to here, and then connect. After this, you need your friends need to prompt to accept the connection. As you can see, it's for your friend's computer. Accept. After accept, we can see the desktop of your the friend's computer. This is desktop of a friend's computer. Also you can set a static password for your Anydesk account, and give full access to this computer. Set password, and then you can here permission profile. You can set screen sharing or full access. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorials.